Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Mike in Tennessee from the RCI-2950dx CD. Mike, got it all ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, clarifier unlocked, as well as we went and did the electrolytic capacitor upgrade as well for you. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. We set your order turned down to 1 watt. I know you said 2 watts would be good for you, but you can turn it all the way down to 1. And our normal safe range for a dual final radio, 5 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, about 16 bird. 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello, about 48 watts. Roll it all the way down. Still the same, 48, maybe 50. All right, my friend, it's ready to come to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.